My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the browser notifications which are associated with the website News-hecana.cc. News-hecana.cc is a new malicious website that displays numerous fake alerts that try to encourage its visitors into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help users watch some video. But if people mistakenly do that, if they click on allow button, their browser is hijacked and infected. People start receiving a lot of pop-ups that would be displayed in the form of web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, make sure you urgently fix your browser and deactivate these ads. You should first of all access the menu, go to settings, select privacy and security in the left part of the settings window, then go to site settings, go to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-hecana, make sure you remove it from the list. Finally, I recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.